Hey guys, this is JJ with Colton RV and Marine over here in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. Right now on this beautiful summer day, you're joining me to take a look at this beautiful unit, pre-enjoyed 2024 Outback 17BH. Come check out this stuff, guys. We got dual propane tanks over here, 20-pound tanks, dual. We have dual batteries, 12-volt batteries, a power tongue jack to make your hitching super easy. Right through here, we have storage for all your luggages and picnic equipment you may bring along the trip. And as you can see, we have aluminum body framing in this unit. Super, super strong and lightweight. Outside over here, 14-foot power awning with LED lights. Whenever you guys are sitting outside, camping, enjoying your time, you can hook up your TV over here to satellite cable or just regular antenna. You got your power hookup right here as well. Plug in your TV. Right this way, guys, we are camera prepped and we are ladder prepped in this unit. And one very cool thing, when we go inside, we'll show you with the bunks. There is storage right underneath that's accessible from the outside. Super cool. And right this way, if you have some additional solar panels that you want to go ahead and plug in, that's an option too right there. And additional over here, we have your outdoor shower with hot and cold water and your hookups for your city water and your valves. Now, when we go inside, guys, I want to point out that this unit right now is powered solely off solar panels right now. So everything inside that's on right now is being powered by such. We have a nice queen bed inside here. Right in front of it, we have a 32-inch TV. We have a compartment over here for your storage right there. And it does have a power outlet as well to keep your things charged. Besides that, we have these charging stations on both sides, so you don't have to fight over it. Guys, check this out. In most units, you flip up the bed for storage. Not in this unit, guys. They thought of this. Nice deep drawers for all your belongings. I like that aspect of it. And over here, against this wall, look how huge this window is. Panoramic window so that you see all the beauty outside while you're having your lunch, dinner, or breakfast out here. This dinette over here will turn into additional sleeping bed. Overhead storage. So much storage, never enough storage. We have a control panel for your water tanks, your awning, your slides. Everything's here accessible in one wall, guys. On top of that, in this unit, we have a robust 18,000 BTU system. On a summer day, it'll be frigid in here. You'll need blankets in here. You have 3 burners over here in your kitchen top, a nice high-rise neck over here to make those easy washing for those big deep pots. You got a nice spice rack in here. Compartments and compartments for days, guys. Nice oven. I love this part because I love the separation of oven and microwave up top. And a nice 4.5 cubic feet refrigerator being powered by solar, guys. 12-volt refrigerator. This is your bunk unit right here. Additional sleeping space for 2. One on top, one at the bottom. And as I mentioned, storage that is accessible from outside as well. This is your restroom unit over here. Nice shower stall, spacious. Got a nice little cabinet space over here with a guard so your stuff won't fall out and travel. And a nice little pop-out sink to keep yourself sanitized. Come join us at Colton RV, guys. On this beautiful summer day, join us out here and check out this unit. Amazing. Could serve for nice small families, children. Perfect unit for you guys.